Hello, boys and girls. So today we're going to work on math lesson 8.3, which is about subtracting tens. So we have done adding tens, which we know is putting together. So we know that subtracting is pulling apart. So if Tara has 30 seashells, 20 of those shells are big and the rest are small. How many small shells does she have? So let's solve that part of the problem first. So Tara has 30. So I'm going to use my 10 rods here to show 30. Let's count them by tens. Go ahead and count with me. 10, 20, 30. Very good. So if 20 of those are big, then we can take away those 20 that are big, and how many do we have left that are small? We took away 20, 10, 20, and then we have 1 10, which is only 10, left over. So you can draw these if you like, or you can use something in your house that is to show the tens. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw my 30, 10, 20, 30, and then I'm going to show that these ones are the ones that were big, and we took those away to only get 10. So then we can do Tara has 10 small shells. All right, now Sammy, he has 50 shells. So let's show his shells. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now Sammy is going to give some of those shells away. He gives 30 shells to his friend. So let's show Sammy giving some of those to his friend. 10, 20, 30. So those were the ones that he gave to his friend. Now how many does he have left? He has 10, 20 left. So let's use a quick picture to show what we just did there. So I'm going to put Sammy's 50 shells, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And how many shells did he give away? Oh yeah, he gave 30 away. So 10, 20, 30. So there's those 30 shells, and he does not have them anymore because he gave them to his friend. So how many does he have left? He has 20 shells. So Sammy has 20 shells left. Okay. Now let's do a subtraction sentence for Tara's. So 10, 20, 30. She had 30. 20 of those were big, so we're going to take 20 of those away in order to find out how many were small. And there are 10 that were small. So let's do a subtraction sentence for Sammy's. Sammy had 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 shells total altogether, and he took away 30 of them. He took away 3 tens, 10, 20, 30. So how many shells did he have left over? He had 10, 20. Now remember, we count the lines by tens, and we would count dots by ones. But today we are not going to use any ones. We are only using tens. So in your book, we're going to do a couple on this page, and you can do the rest on your own. So in the model here, there are 80 altogether, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And here they want you to take away 30. So we can take away 1, 2, 3. We would put a box around that or a circle, and then we would cross those out because we're taking them away. Now, how many 10s do we have left? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's 50. How many 10s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's not 50 10s, there's only 5. Now that 5 10s does mean 50. It means 50, but there are only 5 10s. So we're going to we'll use my 10 rods here. And you can use pencils or pens or anything that you have at home to show, 10s. Or you can just draw a quick picture. So we're going to draw to show the 10s. And then we're going to write the difference. So why don't you tell someone in your house what the difference means if you're talking about subtraction? Write how many 10s? So 60. So how can I show 60 with 10s? So make sure you tell me when to stop. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Oh, should I have that one? No, I shouldn't. You're absolutely right. So I'm only going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm having 6 10s because there's a 6 in the 10s place. These 6 10s, we can count them 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That's 6 10s. So for my quick picture, I'm going to have 6 10s, and you can count them as you draw them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I'm having 6 10s, which equals 60. So here are my 6 10 rods. And I'm going to take 20 away. So how many 10s, how many rods, how many sticks is 20? We have a 2 in the 10s place. So we can take away 2 of those 10s, or we can just count them as we take them away. 10, 20. So how many 10s do we have left? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 10s. Now let's find out what those 10s mean. 10, 20, 30, 40. So we have 4 10s left. We don't have 40 10s, we have 4. But 60 minus 20 is 40 because each one of these 10s means 10. So we have, oopsie, made a little mistake. We have 40. So we'll try this one and then you can do the rest on your own. So let's see, we're starting with 70 minus 30. So let's count those out by 10s to make sure we have 70. So make sure you tell me when to stop. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and oh, should I have that one there? Nope, I should not. So let's count those 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 10s because there's a 7 in the 10s place. So if we are taking 30 away, and there's a 3 in the 10s place here, so that means we're going to take 3 10s away. So let's take those away. 10, 20, 30. Now we took 3 of those 10s away. So how many 10s do we have left? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 10s left, not 40 10s. Now we know that those 4 10s mean 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. So that means 70 minus the 30 that we took away is 40. All right. So I'd like you to go ahead and do the rest on your own. If you have trouble, you can ask someone in your family, or you can go back to the beginning of this video and you can watch it again. All right. Thank you so much, my friends. So I'd like you to also do this problem and yeah, just do this problem. All right. Thank you so much, my friends.